In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check available storage on Google Drive. If you've been wondering how much space you have left, or which files are taking up the most room, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to look so you can understand your storage at a glance. First, open a Google page in your browser. Look toward the top right corner and find the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid of 9 dots. Click that grid to open the Apps menu. This menu is a handy launcher for all your Google services, and it saves you time by putting everything in one place. From this menu, click Drive. That will open Google Drive in a new tab or the current one, depending on your browser settings. Drive is where all your files, folders, and shared documents live, so it's the best place to see an accurate picture of how your storage is being used. Once Drive is open, look at the left side of the screen for the navigation panel. Click Storage. If your window is narrow, you might see icons only. Hover or widen the window to reveal the labels. Clicking Storage takes you to a dedicated view that focuses on space usage, which makes it easier to understand your totals and spot the largest files quickly. At the top of the storage page, you'll see how much storage you've used and how much is still available. This total reflects your overall Google storage, which typically includes files in Drive, as well as items from other Google services tied to your account. It's a simple, reliable way to confirm how close you are to your limit. Below that, you'll see a list of your files. In the storage view, files are usually arranged by size, with the biggest ones at the top. This is the most useful detail when you're trying to figure out which items are taking up the most space. You'll notice each entry shows the file name, its size, and other basic details, so you can quickly recognize what it is. If you need more context, open a file in a new tab to confirm its contents before deciding what to do next. If you're using a work or school account, your total storage allowance might differ, but the storage page works the same way. And if you don't immediately see storage on the left, try scrolling down that panel. That's it. By clicking the Google Apps icon, opening Drive and choosing Storage, you can instantly see your available space and identify your largest files.